'cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind, you know I'll always manifest it.
Hi all, I thought I'd just give you a bit of an update on the MG ZT that I bought from auction. With charges and tax I paid £840. 78,000 miles, 10 months MOT and some service history came with the car. I mainly bid on this car to make content fixing it up and maybe taking it to shows next year. The interior of the car shows the wear of a car that's done 78,000 miles. It's not great, it's not bad. Nice half leather seats and they are comfortable. There's not a lot to do inside really. Front door handle surround needs fixing. Other than that, just a good valet I would say. $78,000 miles is not a lot for a 2-litre diesel. Nice Kenwood Bluetooth stereo. Inside's clean. Could do with a hoover, but yeah, it's nice in there. It's well spec'd and it's comfortable. That's all I need. I have had it up on the ramp. It doesn't seem to have any nasty surprises under there, so the bodywork is very clean. There's a few age-related marks, but not a lot. I like it. It looks like a hooligan while giving 40 miles to the gallon. The driver's side is going to need a front wing. There's a tiny bit of corrosion there, so it's going to need a new wing and painted. There's 2 little marks there, but I probably won't even fix that. I do quite like the overdone styling, and it's a nice colour. So for bodywork and interior, yeah, I think I've got my money's worth. Mechanicals seem fine. There's a little bit of condensation in that headlight that needs sorting. That headlight's fine. There was a little bit of a water leak, but I managed to fix that. Just a burst pipe. Chopped the bad bit out, there was plenty excess, so used a connector, refilled it with fluids, and then took her for a little drive. Does look quite clean on pull away, so I do think it has done the 70,000 miles. driving wise, I'm used to a Renault Traffic van, so yeah, this is quite nice. It holds the road and it's comfortable. There's enough power if you need it, and the handling is quite good. Plus, it's got blue clocks. I'm a child. So driving wise, yep, I think I've got my money's worth there as well. It's nice. It picks up speed. It holds the road. What more can you ask for? It does what it says on the tin. So if you do like the idea of me making more content with this car, fixing it up and maybe taking it to shows next year, please let me know in the comments.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.